Alright, what's going on, friends? In this video I'm going to show you how to wash your hats. It's been a long time since I've done this, so we're going to see how this comes out. My boss told me this is how he washes his hats at work. And my buddy at work said my hat is really dirty, so we're going to throw it in the dishwasher and see how it comes out. Along with that, I also have this hat. You can see I have not worn it in a long time because it is really gross. I probably should just throw it out. We'll see how that comes out. It's really bad. All right, and along with that, my wife is going to be proud of me because I'm going to do some dishes in the dishwasher. Might have to move some stuff. I'm just going to sit this in here. I think they even make fancy little cages, but I really don't care. And I'm going to move these over here.
Put these on the bottom. Ugh, they're gross.
This is my work hat. This is what my work hat looks like inside. So we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Hope it doesn't kill it. Put the soap in. Nothing special. Shut it. All right, there it goes. We'll come back when this is done. All right, the dishes are done. Well, my work hat definitely looks a lot cleaner. This is the after, and then I'll put a before up here on the screen. I don't know what happened to this hat, but it looks cleaner. Still got this white stuff around the rim. My wife said that was there before I started, so. But I think I could wear it now. It's not really disgusting gross. I could wear it to work in. Just a little scrubbing with this little sponge right around the edge here. And I got that white stuff off. Now it looks about perfect. Other than it's really old. Maybe I'll wear that in my next video. And you just gotta let your hat lay out and dry. Maybe put it over top of a bowl or something so to keep that shape when it dries. There, something like that maybe. While it dries. I don't know. Well, thanks for watching my video. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. God bless and have a great day.